Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going in-depth comparison between two cryptocurrency apps. When selecting a platform for managing cryptocurrencies, understanding the key features and services of MetaMask and Nexo is essential. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Platform overview. Both MetaMask and Nexo serve distinct purposes within the cryptocurrency space. MetaMask, primarily a crypto wallet, MetaMask allows users to store, manage, and interact with decentralized applications. Nexo, a cryptocurrency lending platform, Nexo offers users the ability to earn interest on their crypto holdings, borrow against their assets, and manage a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Account setup. Understanding how to set up accounts or available is crucial. MetaMask. Users set up a wallet by creating an account with a seed phrase for security. Nexo. Users create an account with an email and password, requiring identity verification for full access. Supported cryptocurrencies. Both platforms support a range of cryptocurrencies, but their focus differs. MetaMask primarily supports Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, though it can also be configured to support Binance Smart Chain and other EVM-compatible networks. Nexo supports a broad range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoins. Wallet and custody. Knowing how your assets are stored and managed is key for security. MetaMask, a non-custodial wallet, meaning users have full control of their private keys and are responsible for their own security. Nexo, a custodial platform where Nexo holds and manages the private keys to users' assets. Borrowing and loans. For users interested in leveraging their crypto, borrowing options are critical. MetaMask does not offer native borrowing or lending features. Nexo, loans are automatically approved here and allows users to borrow fiat or stable coins against their cryptocurrency holdings at competitive rates. Security features. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrencies. MetaMask, users are responsible for their own security, with features like a secure seed phrase, password protection, and hardware wallet integration. Nexo, as a custodial platform, Nexo emphasizes security with measures like two-factor authentication, withdrawal whitelist, and insurance coverage. Customer support. Reliable customer support is vital for resolving issues. MetaMask offers support through a help center, FAQs, and a community forum. Nexo provides 24/7 customer support via live chat and email. Target audience. Understanding who the platforms are designed for can help users choose the right one. MetaMask. Best suited for users involved in the Ethereum ecosystem and those looking to interact with DeFi, NFTs, and apps. Nexo appeals to users seeking a more traditional financial experience within the crypto space, offering interest-earning accounts, loans, and the convenience of a custodial platform. Conclusion. MetaMask and Nexo cater to different needs within the cryptocurrency space. MetaMask is ideal for those who prioritize decentralized finance, self-custody, and interaction with the broader Ethereum ecosystem. Nexo, on the other hand, is perfect for users seeking to earn interest, borrow against their assets, and manage their portfolio within a secure, custodial environment. Evaluating your individual needs and preferences will help you choose the most suitable platform for your crypto activities. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.